Look at the cheese, the steak, the peppers, jalapeno. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. All right. Today we're going to be making egg rolls again. All right, but this time we're going to be making Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. All right, do you see this right here? This is, first thing you're going to need is steak. I got steakums right here, right? I cooked them down, right? And so they're sitting right there smelling great. And we're going to have cheese. My cheese is a mozzarella. Listen like accent. And I also have green peppers or jalapenos. They're green, right? I don't know. Up to you with those. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put that there. And then I am going to take my egg roll wrapper. Do you see that? Okay. So I'm going to place that down. All right. I'm going to place my egg roll wrapper down. And then I'm going to take some of the steak, right? And I'm going to place it in the middle right here, right? So I'm going to take some steak, place it in the middle. And then I'm going to take some cheese, and I'm going to coat that. Coat it with the cheese, okay? So it's nice and good, all right? And then I'm going to take some of the green pepper, jalapeno green peppers, bell peppers, whatever you want to call them. And then I'm going to place them on top of that. So we got cheese, green peppers, and steak. Next, I'm going to roll it, okay? We're going to roll it. So we're going to take this, and we're going to roll it right here. And we're going to take the corners, and we're going to kind of bring them closer to the center. I kind of overstuffed this, so I might not make it. And I'm going to roll it again. And as I'm going, I'm going to take some water and lick these. Did I say lick the sides? Take the water and sprinkle it on the sides and go like this. And bring them in and wrap and wrap and wrap. And then when you finish rolling, lick it again. Did I say lick the blunt again? No. You're going to take some water and go across there, okay? And then we're going to put it in the air fryer and fry it for 10 minutes. I have the water down here, so this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to take the water, and then I'm just going to dress this right here with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to take the edges, and I'm just going to press down and hold it. And after about a couple of seconds, it should stick a little bit, all right? And then I am going to put this right here, and I am going to spray it with this is some cooking spray, coconut oil. Spray it a little bit. And I'm going to place it with the flap side up on this thing that goes inside of the air fryer. And then I'm going to put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Putting in the air fryer. It's at 400 degrees. And I'm going to put it for 10 minutes. All right, after about 10 minutes, it is done. So I'm going to take my tongs, and I'm going to take out the golden egg roll. Look at that, all right? Look at that. Okay, I'm going to place it down here. It's so golden, so crispy. I could have used 9 minutes. 9 minutes would have been perfect for this, but it works. So I'm going to cut it open, see what we're working on inside. Maybe I can just go like this. Whoa, look at that cheese, the steak, the peppers, jalapeno. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.